Hi there, and welcome to this day in history for March 25th. March 25th is the 84th day of the year in the Gregorian calendar, 85th in leap years, with 281 days remaining to the end of the year. Today's word is Caterwaul. Caterwaul can be a verb or a noun. As a verb, Caterwaul means to make a shrill sound, as if of a cat in heat or cats quarreling, to quarrel noisily. As a noun, Caterwaul means the cry of a cat in heat, or a shrill sound such as a shriek or a loud cry. I might remember an irritated grandmother, hands on hips, asking a bunch of roughhousing kids, "What's all this caterwauling about? Y'all settle down." The word caterwaul comes to us from Middle English words that means cat or tomcat and howl. Earliest documented use of the word caterwaul is 1386. Caterwall. And with that, we'll start with March 25th, 1306, when Robert the Bruce became King of Scots in Scotland. On March 25th, 1655, Saturn's largest moon, Titan, was discovered by Christian Huygens. This was the day of the Triangle Shirtwaist Factory fire in New York City on March 25, 1911. 146 garment workers died in this fire. The fire led to legislation requiring improved factory safety standards and helped spur the growth of the International Ladies Garment Workers Union, which fought for better working conditions for sweatshop workers. The building where this happened still stands, and it's located at 23-29 Washington Place, near Washington Square Park, and has been designated a National Historic Landmark and a New York City landmark. We have several notable birthdays on March 25th. Sportscaster Howard Cosell, born March 25th, 1918. He lived to the age of 77. American short story writer and novelist Flannery O'Connor, born March 25, 1925. Best known for her short stories with such titles as The Barber, The Heart of the Park, The Life You Save May Be Your Own. She was a colorful character. Flannery O'Connor passed away in 1964 at the age of 39 due to complications from lupus. Oklahoma singer, songwriter, and actor Hoyt Axton, born March 25, 1938. His songs Joy to the World and Never Been to Spain were covered by the band Three Dog Night. He came by songwriting honestly, as his mother, Mae Boren Axton, wrote the song Heartbreak Hotel, which was a big hit of Elvis Presley's. Hoyt Axton lived to the age of 61. Queen of Soul, Aretha Franklin, was born on March 25, 1942. Listed as one of Rolling Stone magazine's 100 greatest artists of all time, Ms. Franklin is indeed one of the world's best-selling music artists. I still get goosebumps thinking about the way she sounds in her song, I Never Loved a Man the Way I Love You. Remarkable talent, Aretha Franklin. She lived to the age of 76. And it looks like this is a day we could just go on and on talking about birthdays of amazing people. This is the birthday of Elton John, born March 25, 1947. Another stunningly successful musical artist, his career spans 6 decades. Notable for Your Song and Goodbye Norma Jean and so many others, Elton John is still alive and still working and turned 75 in 2022. And that's all I have for now. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a like if you enjoyed this video. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Feel free to share this with a link in your email, messaging, or social media. If you enjoyed this series, you could check out the playlist that includes these videos. I'll have a link in the description to that. That description lives on YouTube, so for other platforms, I'll include the link to my blog page that will also have all those links. My blog is called No Really. And you can also find me on Rumble, Parler, BitChute, and Getter. All those links in the description. All righty, that's all I could think of right now. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.